Oh, wait, that is... Or kainta dapat. We got a good one for today, and that is 5 essential pants that you need in your wardrobe. But before that, I want to thank you all to the 200 subscribers that watch this channel. I hope you're having much fun as we are making it. Rest assured that we will continue to improve our content for you amazing people. So what are you waiting for? Let's start with the first pants. For the first pants that you need in your wardrobe is blue jeans. Blue jeans is one of the most versatile pants you'll ever own. Some cost about 5,000 pesos, but it doesn't mean you'll spend as much to get the quality that you need. Two indication that your pants has a high quality. First, let's talk about the cuffing. As you can see, the seam is finished rather than the low quality one. The low quality one has unfinished seam compared to the high quality one. The second one is the zipper. Two brands that offer high quality zippers is Riri, that mostly found in Fear of God. YKK stands for Yoshido Kogyo Kabushiki. Now, I'm gonna show you how versatile it is. Let's go to the second pants, raw denim. Raw denim is one of the most unique pants you'll ever own. Instead of the company manufacturing the wash, your wear and tear will develop the wash over time. So basically, it is exactly how it sounds. Raw denim material. See this pants? It will change over time after 6 months or 1 year of wear and tear. The wear and tear will show after you soak it. Quality check! Finished seam. Strong zippers. Let's style these pants! Let's go to the third pants. Trousers.
Trousers.
Trousers is one of the most formal pants you'll ever own. It is made of polyester and cotton, or like this one, it is made of wool. Let's go to the quality check. Seam, finish, zipper, strong as fuck. So what I chose is the navy blue trousers. It goes more to a lot of colors. So let's go! Go to the fourth pants, Chinos. Chinos is 100% cotton pants that comes in variety of cuts and sizes. And sizes. And sizes. I recommend you to buy earth tones because it matches more to your outfit. Quality check! Finished seamed, strong zippers. Chose is the tan color. So what are you waiting for? Ikuzo! Let's go to the final pants, sweatpants. Particularly, brandless pants. Never match competing brands together. Example, Nike, Adidas. Competing brands don't match. So what I chose is the red pants. Now, I'm gonna show you why. Brandless pants works with Nike and Adidas. What are you waiting for? Let's go! That is it, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe and comment down below on what you want to see next. And again, I want to thank you all to the 200 subscribers that watch this channel. Please stay safe out there, guys. Peace!